Oh, no, we have developed it dramatically, so to say. First of all, we have since 1 year now, we have at least 3 films subtitled. Former times we have only the winner film subtitled in all 24 languages. Now we do it now even before. We do it directly when we have chosen it, all 3 films. And I think this is it's very important because it gives us 3 films which have gone through a lot of discussions in the jury, the high jury, not the parliamentarians, that at least they come as in this short list, and it gives us a possibility to spread this all over Europe and more. This is what we did, and we have also, as just said, the winner will get the format for blind people. This is very much accepted, and I think with this Lux Prize we have opened a little bit the door in other fields, in arte, even in German or other public services, to get an interest in subtitling and to get an interest in getting this format for blind people. So we opened a little bit the door, and I hope this will be helpful. On the other hand, with these 28 people whom we always invite for Venice, where we have met, these young people are now more involved even in the daily life in Venice. They are making films. They are even getting a little prize by the Venice Days. So they have a chance to be included in this film world, and a lot of them are still continuing. I meet them on several occasions in different conferences. So I have the impression that with this idea of this 28, we created a kind of basis for more activities in this generation all over Europe.